Hi! Do you like my new intro? I've been playing around and I thought it was funny and I thought it was stupid. And that's kind of like my humor, funny and stupid, so well, obviously it's funny if it's humor, but anyway, hope you guys like the intro. So this time I'm doing 10 Looks 1 palette on the Masquerade palette by JUVIA'S Place. As we know, I've done the Zulu by JUVIA'S Place and I really liked it. This one's good too. I'm not super inspired by the color scheme of this. I think these mattes down here are really similar colors, honestly. This one's darker than this one, but these two are like so similar. They're all nice. I'm not the biggest fan of Calabar, the tone of it, the color of it. However, every shadow in here has nice payoff and color, like pigment and color payoff, so I'm not mad at that. It's just the fact that I think they could have removed maybe one of these blues up here. They could have removed one of these pink colors. They could have had different colors down here for the neutrals. So it's just like little nitpicky things, but I do really like the pigment on this. If this is something that interests you, what I like to do is cover that for a nude palette and cover that for a colorful palette, and it kind of takes your inspiration, you know, kind of inspires you for yourself. I don't know. Anyway, I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading, guys. I've been in a really bad place in my life. I'm just going through a lot right now. So I'm not going to be having music on them anymore. I was copywritten for my I was given a strike for my last one. So we're not doing that anymore because I don't want to like lose anything. So I'm not going to be doing that. And I do everything on my new iPod, so that's why I don't have royalty-free music or anything like that. So I do apologize about not having music in the video. If you can like open another tab and maybe play music, or if you have like an MP3 player or a CD player, you could play music and then it'll like seem like I'm playing music in the video. And I also tried to make the pictures show for longer. That was a concern that someone had. I still want to keep everything really quick and to the point though. I don't want to draw it out for a long time. I want these videos to be super quick because people don't have a lot of time in their day to watch 10 looks. If you want to slow it down, you can go up and change the speed. That'd be an option. But anyway, I really like the Masquerade palette by JUVIA'S Place. Yeah, if you guys could share the video wherever, I really, really hope you like it. Once again, the color scheme didn't entirely inspire me. However, if this is something that interests you, give it a go because it's all good quality. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.